I'm going to show you the best ways to make so much Robux, with one of them generating me over 22,000 Robux. And you can do the same, or even better, so make sure to watch this video till the end. I would also like to know that these methods take effort, time, and patience, so don't expect to be swimming in a pool of Robux after 5 minutes of starting these methods. So without further ado, let's get started! The first and foremost way to make so much Robux is commissions. It is the best way to make Robux out of creating games. But what are they, you ask? Commissions are short-term tasks you do for money. Here's how it works. A client reaches out to you regarding your services and wants you to do something for them. You take the commission and get money in return. This service can be scripting, building, modeling, GFX, VFX design, etc. But where do I start, you ask? You can find thousands of clients willing to pay on the Roblox Talent Hub, or even Discord servers like the Roblox Studio Community server, RoDevs, Developer Network, and much more. I'll leave the invite of the URLs of these servers, including my own server, in the description of this video below. The next way to make so much Robux is from microtransactions, such as game passes and developer products. These passes and dev products come from your game or games with your microtransactions in it. Players purchase these for in-game items, power-ups, or even in-game currency. However, do not milk your game with these microtransactions, or a player to see your game at the Make My Wallet Fat game. If you know what I mean. Another way to make a lot of Robux is from premium payouts. These also come from your game, but are not microtransactions. Instead, they're revenue from the duration of your premium players' playtime. The more premium players play your game, the more Robux you earn. You can achieve premium payouts by adding exclusive features for players with Roblox Studio. So let's get one thing straight. If you have a functional computer with internet, a web browser, and meets or supersedes the minimum requirements for Roblox Studio to run smoothly, there is absolutely no excuse to start making Robux right now. This concludes all of the best ways to make a lot of Robux. I hope this video was super helpful, and if it was, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Have an amazing day.